What? That's right. Win 79 the books, Crooked Penny. Kind of cool, kind of lit, kind of fun, kind of crazy. And here is. Sorry, I just coughed pretty terribly. Ugh. There's a seed for you. Wow, off to a good start. Okay. We start with Eden's Soul. An HP upgrade. Our speed looks right on the money at 1. Our tears rate's a little better than normal. Ayo? No way question mark card works. Question mark card would give us a double Eden Soul. There's no friggin' way. If this works, that's insane. That's literally, that's absolute bonkers. No, please don't fart me into that. I have a terrible haircut here. What's going on, Eden? Okay. Sorry, back to the stats. Oh yes, our damage is a little low. I can see that now. But other than that, the stats look wonderful. So, can't have it all. Absolutely the truth. And this run's no exception. Actually, there are some runs where you do have it all. That's true. This is not one of them at the moment. So we have extension cord, my apologies, as our trinket, which gives us a little bolt of electricity in between familiars and us. Oh dang! I should have just actually dodged that instead of just running straight back. Not the best work I've ever done in my life. Dang, more of these guys. Now, if I've said it once, I've probably said it about 5 or 6 times, and that is I'm happy to have. I mean, like low damage is whatever, because I have a high tier rate. I must have said it at least 5 or 6 times. You know what I mean? I've said quite a few. Okay, how in God's green earth do we deal with this? Whoa. Come here, you little weenie. There we go. Now we got one out of the mouse out the house. Mouse is back in the house. Okay. Sometimes I really don't think the game gives me an enemy or enemy room. First of all, this is new. By the way, this is a breath of fresh air, right? Wow, dude, can you just leave me alone? How about that? I feel like that room required a lot of brain power. Or, you know what? It took more brain power than I really have, I think, on deck. It's really kind of what stood out there. I'm sorry, I still have a cough. I still don't feel well. I will mute when I think it's... Hey, sulfuric acid is great. Oh, and a half spirit heart. How about that? Sulfuric acid is wonderful. We now have infinite bombs. And, you know, on a floor like the first floor, having infinite anything is pretty significant in any for what it's worth. And so wow, big first floor, big first floor. So I feel good to have it. So what's the goal? We walk in to deal with the devil, pop the question mark card, get 2 deals with the devil. If they're gas, we use Eden Soul. If they're boof, we use Eden Soul. Come on, man, what do you want me to say? Oh my god. Why is this floor so large? What's going on here? Also, sulfuric acid is a small damage up, but, you know, at the same time, that's kind of all I really needed to be happy, so I am happy. I have absolutely no clue where the second secret room could be, truthfully. I'll try a couple places, but I'm not willing to sink my whole day into it, and that's quite lovely. I think I have a red heart on this floor. Oh, have we seen the shop yet? I honestly can't remember. This floor is so freaking large. Yeah, okay. I had a feeling you were there, you little sneaker. I love sulfuric acid. Whoa, that one didn't work. There we go. Have I seen the shop? No, honestly, I cannot remember if I have or not. Oh, here we go. I'm coughing like up a storm. Hopefully I've muted at least most of it for you sad sacks that are watching right now, but if it's been distracting, I apologize. I'm doing the best I can. Quarter. Oh, have to try though. Alright. That was just a massive first floor, dude. Are you kidding me? We fully charged Eden Soul. These guys, can you shoot? Stop spawning these darn flies. God. I'm feeling a little spicy today. Alright, I don't know if you guys can pick up on that or not. I'm feeling a little tad spicy. There's some spice in the tank today. Alright, here's my personal goal is to not get hit by this fruity friend. Fruity Plum. Baby Plum. Sorry, Fruity Plum's the dang item. I keep forgetting that. That dodge. Oh my. So he's not even doing the attack I usually get hit on, and I'm still almost accosting the mission. Oh, you bastard. Fruity Plum. Baby Plum. God. Oh my god. What a disaster, huh? Fun. It's fun though. I'm having a good time. Having a good time. I could have played that blood bank a little bit. I'm not feeling it. Sorry. I know that's not ideal play. But sometimes, you know, it's about how you feel about making the ideal plays, and brother, I was not in the mood. Alright, here's what's up. The torn photo is a great item. And from the boss room, that's about as happy as a clam as I'm gonna be. I'm very happy we got it. Now, moving forward, what are we looking for? Speed. Oh, damage, of course, but sorry. I just kind of screwed up the delivery on that one. Damage is obvious, but I want speed. The shot speed got taken care of from that torn photo. Oh, I gotta be careful here because I'm about to wake up a whole lot of bad fellas. Bad mamma jammas. Gonna go to the shop. Oh, ooh, nice little voice crack for the ladies at home there. Ladies. I'm gonna go to the shop first because if there is more options, we are a rich man. Okay. Ooh, a lot of things in here sulfuric acid is just going to be wonderful for. Matchstick. Matchstick is not bad by any means, but I'm not that interested in it. Boy, these shops have been pretty dog. That's a bummer because we got so much money. Huh, secret room is yet to be found. Although now I'm starting to believe I know exactly where it is. Oh, there's Greed. The Greed Man. Accompanied by 2 golden poops. How generous. Oh, pathetic. Pathetic. So, oh, hey, Steam sale's wonderful. Counterfeit pennies is better. We don't have any babies, unfortunately. Excuse me. I should not have used that key because I know exactly where the secret room is, and I totally just choked. Never mind. Really? I mean, really. Okay. Never mind. I didn't misplay. I'll swallow a penny. We got some really good trinkets showing up here. Oh, you know what? Tooth and Nail allows us to get into that curse room for free. That's worth a peek, don't you think? I do reckon. Let's go check that out, huh? Where is the second secret room? Good question. Could it be right here? Yes. Oh, I almost got pranked. Nice. If we can get out of here without getting hit. It's a free black card. Nice. Very good. Very good, Mr. Potter. 5 points for Gryffindor. I've been watching Harry Potter, actually. Just picked it back up again. Yeah, this is the biggest who cares moment on planet Earth, I know. I've been watching Harry Potter. It's honestly... I'm kind of torn, because watching those first few of them are so nostalgic, and I love it. You know, little kid Daniel Radcliffe and all the child actors are so awesome. You just gotta love it. They really make that those first few movies just so amazing to watch, so fun. And then when he kind of grows up, and the CGI gets markedly better, and they start being able to do more things with the magic. It's not as enjoyable to me, honestly. I really think my favorite movie is the first one, honestly, truthfully. There's not a whole lot of magic in it though. It's all just like one big mystery to get to this Philosopher's Stone. You know, and they gotta figure out who Snape's a red herring, and I don't want. If you haven't seen it by now, it's not like I'm really at risk of spoiling it for you, but I don't want to take the risk any further. Oh, sweet. Check this out. Oh, it worked. Oh, it worked. Eden Soul, I guess we'll use in here. Why not? Mark. Pretty good. Pretty happy with that. Let's get Horror Babylon going. What a horrible night to have a curse. What's better? Let's give the nail a shot. I don't know if it's better, but it gives us a damage up in 6 rooms instead of 3. But it's a larger damage up, and we get half a black heart for having it as well. So I don't know. Is that better? It's hard to say. Well, we got nice damage ups from the boss. We got the mark. Sorry, you know what? I really did not talk that much. I should have been way more excited about that question mark card working on Eden Soul, because that's super cool. That honestly is very cool. It's just a little underwhelming because we didn't get, like... I'm sorry. Brimstone Abaddon or something. So... You know, it was a good play. I'm very happy it worked out. It's very cool. Oh, how in God's green earth am I not gonna get hit? But it turns out this room's actually not as hard as I thought. I forgot our damage is pretty bonkers. What is this? Caves 1 or 2? Caves 1. Oofda. Sulfuric acid again is just going to be wonderful for finding all of the secret rooms and second secret rooms. Okay. I used the nail before actually seeing if there was combat in the room, and I might have just wasted my shot, but you know what? We got 3 free coins. I need a shop that's going to be bussin'. Can we do that, game? Yeah, secret room could be actually in so many places it's not even funny, but we're gonna laugh anyway. Okay, it's not in this room, I know that. Is it in this room? No. Alright, could be somewhere. Sorry, God. waiting to blow him up when he was up, but... Got into Tooth and Nail with... sorry, what am I saying? Got into this curse room with Tooth and Nail. Thank you, Tooth and Nail. Very cool. Let's again try to get to that shop. Good amount of consumables, great amount of money thanks to Counterfeit Penny, thanks to seeing all the item rooms, or secret rooms. It's a nice damage up for the room, but maybe if I really want damage, I should have gone Book of Belial. Hard to say. Card reader, 100%. Let's do some things. Starter deck, 100%. The tower, ooh. Mom's key, yeah. Champion belt, oh yeah. Reverse Emperor, not bad. Voodoo head is actually 100% acceptable. Oh god, I'm gonna cough. God, I feel so dumb when I'm doing that, but I have to cough. I'd rather mute than. Ooh, yeah, stopwatch is good. Stopwatch is real good. Emperor card gets us Mr. Brown, Browntown, Brown Man, Brown Mound, Brownie. Bozo down, experimental treatment. No. No, we say no. Right. I'd love to get that reverse card, though. So, unfortunately, Reverse Emperor doesn't juice us up too badly. Oh, no, I tried muting. Hold on, I'm gonna actually come. Lucky Penny's great there. I am fight. Oh. Okay. I'm fighting for my life. The more I talk, the more I have to cough. I'm sure you all understand how that's gonna go. Maybe I'll try talking a little less. I don't know. Oh, $3 bill. I love ya. You know I love ya. Yeah, come here. Looks like we got the floor all explored. High Priestess just did a ton of damage. Range and shot speed along with the Black Heart. Let's see what's in this deal with the Devil. It is Judas' Shadow. And Maw of the Void. How do you do this? That's going to turn us into Leviathan, which gives us the Spirit Hearts back. So unfortunately, we can't really just die on that, but... Oh, God, no. Reverse Emperor on the same floor takes the same boss. That was a miscalculation, I think, on my part. Skipping Stone. Excuse me. The damage does not really bother me. Am I invincible? No. We're gonna die on this floor to come back as Dark Judas. Let's go. Let's kill a man here. Sorry. Oh, God. Okay. Okay. I might have to mute at some point, just give up talking. I don't know. It's not looking good, though. That's fun. Ooh, look at those scythes. Reverse card, what is it? Oh, Empress. I look terrifying. Wow, wait. I don't like that. That's spooky. Spirit shackles, huh? Cool. Wait, didn't we just fight Greed, or was that 2 floors ago now? Oh yeah, that is a 6 room. How about that? You know what, guys? I'm gonna mute for the next 2 floors and then come back. Oh god. Well, yeah. Oh god. Oh, this is so scuffed. I hope it's entertaining to some degree, and like it's so bad it's good type thing, but that's about all I can offer you. I'm sorry. Oh, red hearts are no longer an option. Ruh-roh, Reggie. Proptosis, I think, yeah. You see my range is bad? I say, so what? I don't... Actually, no, it's not range, it's shot speed, and our shot speed's actually really good. Oh, what weird. I look horrifying. I look really scary. I don't like that even. You're supposed to look friendly. But you don't look very friendly. Mi amiga. Oh, super greed. Show me the shot. Ooh, I do good damage. Well, of course, Judas is Shadow, Dark Judas. Who do you come back as? I don't know. He's good. He's real good. Oh, that's hilarious. I have reverse AWAS and regular AWAS. Nice, got the crawl space. And it's a black market. That's actually pretty sweet. Deep Pockets coupon. Those options, some of them would be pretty good for a rerun, but I'm not really in the business of doing a rerun, so we're gonna we're gonna call that a day. I think I'm gonna have to mute here. I'm gonna laugh my butt off rewatching, because I would love to know how this sounds. I'm gonna laugh my butt off, obviously, when I'm watching, just hearing myself dying. But for your guys' sake, I will stop. And I will mute after this one, because Womb 1 and 2 are not very important. Wow. I changed direction, shooting at the last possible second there. That's incredible. Oofed. Interesting. The Joker. So this run's awesome. We took some things that make it, I think, to somebody's standards. Oh my god, I got sucked into it. Did not expect that. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I thought I did. Who knows what happened there? Alright, now we're gonna have like a 90% deal with the dev after blowing up Rotten Baby here. It is indeed 90. Oh, I'm sorry, wait a minute. This is only Necropolis 1. Oh, this whole time I thought it was Necropolis 2. I thought this was gonna be Mama. Mom's knife kind of ruins what we've got going, so I'm not gonna mess with it. I'm good. Holy card. Sick. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. I forgot that starter deck changes pills into... excuse me? Okay. We're juicy. This run's amazing. Ow, I don't know if I showed the seed, but there it is. Play it. I strongly encourage you to play this one. It's a whole lot of fun. Can't really screw it up. Oh, nice. So we got Ricket's Head. Oh, nice. That's also really good, too. Keeper's Bargain. But, we're fine without. There's a lot of things, like, I would take that. I would have taken... So here's the thing. I would have taken Deep Pockets. And Coupon. If I was planning on... Wow, that's terrible. Oh, God. Oh. Oh. I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. Ooh. Well, there goes that. I don't know why I thought recording was a good idea. But today is December 7th, and it's kind of a special day to me, and I will tell you why. Because tomorrow is my birthday. Yeah. That's, so I'm looking forward to it. I'm actually really looking forward to it this year. So, that's cool, right? So tomorrow we get my birthday. So, that's what's so good. Sorry. Oh, God. Oh, God, this is so funny. I am literally croaking. I'm just like, I'm dying on the right now. After this floor, I'm gonna mute and we're just gonna end it because, I mean, end it as in I'm gonna stop talking. What? Book of Belial becomes a passive similar to Book of Virtues? Oh my god. That's so cool. That's wicked. We ended up getting Book of Belial. Alright, Bozo down. I'm gonna mute because honestly there's no reason to me dying on on this. So I will see you all at the end of the run. All right, once again, there's a seed for you. What a run, huh? I mean, you just can't make it up. So incredibly fun, so incredibly fun. Thank you very much for watching. That's win number 80, everybody. We are 20. If we can get it done, we are 20 away from 100, the original goal. I'm very excited to see that day. I hope you all are as well, and I will see you all in the next one.